season has started and it is literally one of my favorite times of the year. I just feel really happy and vibrant during this time. And to add to my happiness, my favorite brand Savannah is having their Christmas sale where you can get up to 80% discount, you guys. The sale has already started from 12th of December and it is going to end on 25th of December. So this is the time where you can empty all the items that you have put in your wish list. Come on, 80% you guys. And you can also use my coupon code Bridipta388 to save some money. Take it as a gift, Christmas gift from my side, okay, you guys? And of course, it's the festive season, so I have to go a little bit crazy with shopping, right? So I have gone crazy with a lot of shopping. I might have to make a part 2 of this haul. The first product is this pink puffer jacket, and I was really excited for this particular jacket. This is not a normal puffer jacket, but a very girly one apparently. I was actually looking for an extremely warm puffer jacket because it gets really cold in here. Of course, it had to be cute, right? And it had to be pink. So this is the puffer jacket that I got, and you guys, it is so warm. It is so light weighted for a change, because you know when puffer jacket is like very warm and all, it becomes slightly heavy, but this one is very lightweighted but at the same time very warm, and of course very cute. It is giving full cutesy wintry Korean kind of vibe, and yeah, everything about this puffer jacket is super cute. I just love it. It's so cozy and comfy. It's like hugging someone, and it was surprisingly very affordable given the quality of this puffer jacket. So yeah, a 10 out of 10 for this one. The next item I got is this beret hat, and guys, I tell you, मैं literally wait कर रही थी winter and fall का so that I could buy this hat, because last year I really wanted to buy this hat, but then like winter was already over, and then this winter I got it. Right now I don't know why I am slightly getting obsessed about collecting hats, and this is of course one of my favorite hats because it literally elevates your outfit. I think I can wear it with just this. It just makes you look extra cute, and without this it was like a simple sweater, right? But with this on, it just like elevates your look and you look super chic, and it was very affordable, and I feel like during the sale it will be more affordable. The next item I got, very beautiful sweater. This one is actually, I think she also likes this sweater, and please don't mind her in this video. I have like literally told her to go 100 times now, and then she's just here. She wants attention, so please don't mind her, okay? I just feel bad for her, so yeah, just be a good girl, okay? I actually got this because I wanted a simple white sweater, and of course the most beautiful trend of 2024 were bows. So of course I wanted to buy something that had like minimal bows on it, and I put this in my 20k giveaway, which I am announcing the winner on 15th of December. You guys were asking me when I'll announce the giveaway winner. This one is a very warm sweater. It looks very coquette at the same time. You can pair it up with a cute little skirt, maybe a jacket on top of it. This feels super comfy and cozy. It blocks the wind, perfect for the chilly weather. Next one I got is this jacket, and oh my god, you guys, this has been my go-to jacket. I have been wearing this literally every other day. Recently I went on a vacation, and I tell you guys, I packed a lot of things for that vacation, okay? And what I was wearing every single day? This jacket, because it was so cold over there, and this jacket was the only thing that was helping me cope up the cold weather, because it is like so warm, you guys. It is very practical, and can you see the look of it? It has this really nice rich kind of leather going on with 2 pockets on it, and guess what? I have my dog's treat on them, because I have like treats in every single pockets that I have. And I also wanted a jacket that, you know, goes with anything that I wear, which is like very practical, very basic, and which doesn't get dirty that easily, you know, so that I can wear repeatedly. If you're someone who has to go out every other day, or if you are a university going student, this is a perfect jacket for you. It will protect you from winter. At the same time, you will look really stylish wearing this jacket. It is a total total recommendation from my end to you guys. A 10 out of 10 for this jacket as well. The next thing I got is this stocking, and this is not a normal stocking, okay? Because it has, can you see it, guys? It has little bows made on it, which is so cute. So cute, you guys. And it was so affordable. I had to get it right away. This has like two designs. One, I think there are like little hearts made on it, and the other one had like little bows made on it. Of course, I had to choose the bow ones, right? This is literally my favorite stocking. If you have seen my old videos, you guys will know that I have an obsession of collecting socks and stockings. So this one is definitely going in my collection. Next item is a very important thing that one must have during winter is a scarf. And I just did not want a normal scarf. I wanted something that, you know, I can wear literally anytime. And this one is a perfect scarf because it is so soft. It is so long. And I have seen a lot of ways to style scarves on Pinterest. So I'm going to experiment it for sure. And this is my first winter scarf this year. Again, about scarf, it literally elevates your outfit, and I can already think of so many ways that I can wear them. I am in love with every single item of this haul. What is happening? Now, next item is again very cute. I'm so excited. I was like really looking forward to see this product. Okay, you guys ready? I'll just wear it, okay? Oh my god. I just cannot believe it is like so cute, you guys. She also woke up. Did you like it? Guys, look at it, you guys. It is so cute. I feel so cute wearing this hat. I told you I've literally started collecting hats, and this one has to be my favorite. I'm literally speechless right now. You guys can see for yourself how cute it is and how warm it is. It is so soft. Just look at this entire outfit. It is giving me Christmassy vibe. The Christmas tree right here, though not pine tree. The lights, me, the red outfit, this hat, my doggo. Oh my god, this is perfect. I just love it. Now I'm going to continue this video wearing this hat only, okay? Because now that I wore it, I'm not going to take it out. The next item is this bag. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, you might have literally seen me wear this bag every single time. Right now, this bag is my obsession. It literally screams fall, winter. It has this really dark brown color, and this design, oh my god, it is so nice. It is quite spacious enough to carry all my phones, wallet, money, and rest things my boyfriend is there to carry. So yeah, this is my go-to bag right now. This actually goes with anything and everything. That's why I have been carrying only this bag, and this is my favorite bag right now. And the cherry on the cake, you guys, this bag was so affordable, so you can check it out. A 10 on 10 again for this bag. So that was the last item of this haul. I actually have bought a lot of items which are yet to come, so maybe a part 2 will come for this haul. And you can use my coupon code again, Pratipta388, to get some extra discount. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Merry Christmas. I love you all. Take care. Bye.